Hello my beautiful souls, welcome back to the Tarot Divine. If you're watching this video, then definitely this is a sign for you. We are going to see what are the Divine's blessings for you, what is coming towards your life in the upcoming days. Thank you so much, universe. Please guide me with what's coming next in my viewers' lives. Okay, I can see a lot of stability coming in. You have been very emotional from a very long time. Okay, and I can see you have been having a lot of patience from a really long time, which is now somewhere gonna reward you in a really good way. I can see a lot of new beginnings coming your way, a lot of stability and a lot of security coming your way. Definitely you've been stressed about many things. You've been stressed about many things in the past. Definitely you've been thinking a lot with whether things will ever go right with you. I can see a lot of negativity that has happened in the past. Okay, definitely some situations that have happened, some events that have occurred in the past has given you a lot of stress, has given you a lot of trauma. Somewhere you wanted to get out of all of these things, and now the universe is definitely blessing you with a lot of emotional stability. Okay, I can see that you're gonna move forward towards a new path in your life, something that is very emotionally stable. You have somewhere realized your own worth. You somewhere realize that whatever happened with you was wrong, and now it's your time to take a stand for all of these things. Definitely in the near future, you're going to be very emotionally stable. I can see stability. You're going to be focusing more on yourself rather than focusing on other people's opinions. Whatever has happened in the past, somewhere you're going to learn from all of these things and move forward with a very positive energy. I can see that few months back, few weeks back, you were really very stressed about things. Everything that was coming into your life, you were taking it as in a very negative form. Why? Because you were really hurt inside. Whereas now you have made this decision that no, I want to live my life at the fullest. The universe is guiding you to live your life at the fullest, and somewhere now the universe is blessing you with a lot of happiness, a lot of stability. I can see things changing. I can see your energies changing around you. I can see people changing around you. A very better, a very happier place, a very happy chapter of your life that you're going to enter very, very soon. The universe is definitely saying that it's time for you to let go of the things that have happened in the past. Somewhere those things no longer serve you. The more you stick to them, the more longer it will take for you to move on and to find your own worth. It's time for you to move on from all of these things and focus on what you really want. You need to make a decision that okay, the past is in the past, but now I have to move on. Things are going to be better for me. You need to believe in yourself, you need to believe in the universe and move forward to something, to a really great blessing that's coming in towards you, and that is a lot of stability. A lot of stability in all the fields of your life, in all the areas of your life, in all the parts, whether it be in your love life, whether it be in your career. I can see a lot of stability that's going to enter in towards you. So it's time for you to let go and decide whether you want to still be stuck in the past and be sad and see negative things, or take a step forward and enter a completely new, a completely happy and a peaceful chapter of your life. The decision is in your hands. The universe is always guiding you. If this reading resonates with you, please do like and comment, and do follow the Tarot Divine to be connected for more readings like this.